Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to keep everything simple to make thousands of dollars in commissions every single month online. Don't reinvent the wheel, my friend. Just keep it simple. It is simple. If you keep it simple, you can make thousands and thousands of dollars in commissions promoting someone else's product. You don't need a website. You don't need to create a blog. You don't need to write articles. You don't need to actually go out there, phone call, sales call, or do anything like that. It's very simple. You just choose a product to promote, and then you just start to advertise that product. And I'm going to show you step by step how to do this in a professional manner in this video, so you can go out there and start making commissions. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. My channel is all about make money online, work from home, internet marketing, affiliate marketing, ClickBank, online jobs, advertising, marketing, traffic generation, and lead generation. I have helped thousands of people make money online. Some of my students have gone on to make multiple 6, 7, and 8 figures. If you're still standing on the fence, jumping from one YouTube channel to another YouTube channel, one product to another product, just have no clue what to do, how to start making money online, then you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, the link subscribe button is going to be anywhere on this page. Just click that subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's not going to cost you a single penny. It's absolutely free. What's going to happen is you're going to get notified whenever I come up with a brand new training video, so you can watch it, start taking action before others do. Okay, and beat the competition. Now give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated. If you want me to record a special video about something, just leave a comment for me. Don't forget to share this video, it will be appreciated. And you can see the screen here, and you can see this website address. On this website address, go here. I am giving away the free 10K per month strategy blueprint. Okay, so if you go to this website that you're seeing on the screen, open up a new browser, you can get access to the free 10K per month blueprint. Okay, it's absolutely free that I'm giving it away to you, where you will get an idea on how you can have a successful internet digital business that can produce results and commissions. Okay, so let's dive into this video. Okay, so first of all, you want to head over to ClickBank. Okay, a ClickBank is a digital marketplace that has thousands and thousands of digital products. You can promote these products. I have generated thousands of dollars in commissions. Okay, I also have a course on ClickBank where I teach people how to make money online, how to promote other people's products, how to drive traffic, including free traffic, paid traffic, and this course is available in 16 different languages, as you can see here. Okay, I'm gonna have all the links in my description box below this video. Okay, you can check it out. It's one of the premium courses where I teach everything all about affiliate marketing, especially about ClickBank. So if you're struggling to make money with ClickBank and you have been on the fence thinking, how do people make thousands of dollars a month promoting ClickBank products, you can buy this course and start learning and implementing everything I teach you. Okay, so we're in ClickBank. When you register with ClickBank, what you need to do is you need to go to one of these categories. So let's just say we're going to choose a category just like this: e-business and e-marketing. Okay, so if you go to e-business, e-marketing, you're going to find a lot of products down here. Okay, so you could see, first of all, on the right hand side, you could see how much commissions you're going to get paid. The average conversion commission is about $63 for the first product, which is called Fast Wealth. Now, ClickBank has made it very, very easy. Okay, so you could see a gravity score down here. People were very confused on what this gravity score means. Everyone was explaining it in a different way. It was confusing people. ClickBank has made it very easy. You just have to hover your mouse, okay, and ClickBank explains it. A score based on the number of unique affiliates generating sales. Simple as that. Okay, The higher the number, that means the more money you have potential to make, okay? Because that means a lot of people are making a lot of money, all right? Then you could sort out the products. Now, here's the important part that people normally tend to skip, and this is the reason why people fail. What they do is they come here to choose a product and they don't look at anything. They just look at this commission. So if they see something like this one, let's just look into this one. Check this out. This one's going to pay us $85 commission. Now that's good commissions, okay? So they will see something like this saying, oh, I'm going to make like $100, $200. They will click on the promote button, get the link and start promoting it. That's what they do. They don't look at anything else. Whether the product is good, the sales page is good, is it promising, what kind of members area do they have a JV page, do they have affiliate tools, is it a mobile friendly product? Nothing whatsoever. What they do is they will come here, choose the product and start promoting. I wonder why people fail. That's not the way you do business. Just don't look at the commission. It's one of the parts. You need to look at a couple of things. Number one, you need to look at the gravity score. Anything above 20 is good. The higher the number, the better, but that means there's competition. And when there's competition, that means there's money to be made. That's number one. Number two, very, very important, what you need to look is, you want to click on the sales page to see what is it all about. Is it something worth promoting? All right? So I could see this is all about finding an online job. Now it's looking good to me. All right. This sales page is looking good to me. So what you do, you put yourself in a newbie shoes and ask yourself this question. If I was looking for a way to make money online, if I was looking for a way to lose weight and I came across one of these products, would I promote the product? Would I buy the product? Would it solve the problem? If the answer is yes, it's definitely a yes for you to promote that product. It's that simple. Wait. That's not enough. That's not enough. We check the sales page. It's a yes. We check the commission. It's a yes. The biggest important piece of puzzle is still missing. And what is that? I know you're going to say traffic. Yes, I'm going to talk about traffic. But before driving traffic, there's one important piece of puzzle missing just to choose the product. If you get this product right, you will drive less traffic, you will make more money. If you get this product wrong, choosing the wrong product, you will drive a lot of traffic, you will make less money or no money. One piece of puzzle missing, my friend. What is that? Why am I keep on saying it? I'm trying to install this software into your brains. This is very important. I see everyone skipping this part and then they start complaining, I'm not making money. I'm not making money. I'm not making money. I've done everything. I'm not making money. How are all these making money? Okay. What is that piece of puzzle missing? Before you start and you decide to drive traffic, there is one piece of puzzle missing, and I am not seeing that in here. If I want to choose this product, live chat jobs, commission is a tick, product sales page is a tick. But when I look at this here, upsell flow, one time, future, $1 trial, affiliate tools, I'm not seeing what I'm looking for. What is it? Let me scroll down. I could see it in here. What is that thing that I am looking for? And that's this here. Mobile friendly sales page, my friend. That's what I'm looking for. Why? When you start to drive traffic, 60% plus of your traffic is going to come from mobile devices. If your product, your sales page, your landing page, your bridge page is not mobile friendly, you're going to lose money, commissions, revenue, and your business is going to drain down. Make sure every time you choose a product, whether it's from ClickBank, whether it's from another affiliate network, whatever you do, it has to be mobile friendly. It has to be a mobile friendly page, so it squeezes and shrinks the page based on the device. Very important. People don't do this. They just go here, say, wow, I'm going to choose this product, live chat jobs. It's got a very good high gravity score. It's going to pay me a lot of commissions. It's got a good sales page. They start promoting it. They don't make a single dime. They start complaining. They start talking bad about it. I wonder you're not making any sales because half of your traffic is coming from mobile device, and this is not a mobile device product. It's not. So it's not going to shrink the page. So what's going to happen if someone visits this page through a mobile device? Immediately he's going to exit the page. You know why? It's not looking good. He can't see the video. He can't watch the video. He can't scroll up and down. He can't see the sales page. What is he going to do? You really want to make money online? Follow my advice, my friend. Follow my advice. Your life will change. Okay? Your life will change. Haven't you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? You're still thinking, you're still on the edge. What are you waiting for? Go, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do it right now. Oh, I will help you change your life. I will force you to change your life. You just need to follow my advice. Okay? So yes, we're not going to choose this product. It's not mobile friendly. I don't want this product. So we're going to go for this one, cell phone cash machine. Mobile friendly product. So once you've got your product, you're going to click on this promote button. Simple. You're going to put your nickname here. Simple. You're going to click on continue. Simple. You're going to come down and you're going to get this long link. Now it's time to drive traffic to this. You have two options. First option, create a lead magnet landing page. Lead magnet page, which is going to look something just like, okay, where is it? Something like this, okay? This is a lead magnet page that I have. So you're going to drive traffic to a page just like this. They're going to get this information. They're going to enter the email. They're going to click on this blue button. They're going to subscribe to your newsletter. That's the best way to build a business. That's the best way to make money online. Alright? How do you do that? One of the best tools and software, you can get the link in my description box below this video. One of the best tools which I have used for the past 5 years and I love it. It's called ClickFunnels. It comes with a free trial, alright? Links are going to be in my description box below this video. Just check it out. It's one of the best tools, alright? You could build a funnel with this, alright? And you could build sales pages, webinar pages, thank you pages, course pages. You could build so much stuff with this funnel builder, ClickFunnels, alright? And then you need to drive traffic. So the second option you have is just drive traffic directly to this. Now, if you're going to drive traffic directly to this, please don't paste this on social media platforms. You're going to get banned. They don't like this. Look at that. I don't even know how many characters are there. Okay. What you want to do is you want to copy this. Okay. And then you want to come here to a page just like this. And you want to shorten this URL. So come to our website called tinyurl.com. Just paste it in here. Okay, let's just wait for it to verify, making sure I'm a human, I'm not a robot. Okay, this is going to take its time. There you go, done. Shorten the URL, and there you go. This is my link. Now you can paste this link on social media, but guess what? Social media have become advanced. They can read this link. Okay, so they know this link has been shortened through a ClickBank affiliate link. And most of the social media platforms don't like ClickBank. I don't know why. Alright? So you might want to become a bit more advanced. But if you're not going to build a landing page just like this, okay, that I have, alright? You want to do direct linking, that's fine. But remember, you're not going to build a business, alright? Now, if you're going to do some paid traffic, all the links are going to be in my description box below this video. There's another network. You could come to this network and you can start buying traffic. Okay? If you join through my link, which is going to be in the description box, you're going to get my recommended top high quality traffic sellers on your plate that you can buy traffic from. Okay, the links are all going to be in my description box below this video. This is a very, very good platform that you can buy traffic from. All right, I know one of my friends who bought traffic from this platform and generated $6,000 in commissions with ClickBank. No more excuse, my friend. It's free to join this network. It's free to join. Link in my description box below this video. Go to the description box below this video. Click on each link to see what I have for you in my silver vault. Special training, special courses, special golden nuggets that could change your life. Where are all these links? In my description box. So it's simple. Don't reinvent the wheels, okay? Just come here, choose a nice product according to the way I just showed you. Go to a website funnel builder just like this. Build a funnel, something like this, okay? If you don't want to do that, do direct linking. And then start getting traffic, free or paid. Paid traffic will be something like going to a network like this, okay? Or free traffic could be social media. Start posting on social media. Start providing value. It's that simple. So don't reinvent the wheel. Everything is simple. You just have to keep it simple. And if you do, you're going to start making money. See you soon.